How to set up any other currency as your primary currency type in PayPal account. So let's see in this video lesson. Once we log into PayPal account, we need to click Payment Methods button in the top menu bar. And here, we have couple of currency type added in PayPal. And by default US dollar is the primary currency set in PayPal account. We can select any of these currency type and set them as the primary currency type in PayPal. All we need to do is click the three-dotted More option and select Make Primary. And again here, we need to confirm to set as a primary currency type. And done, I have set up Australian dollar as the default currency type. But if we want to set up any other currency type, first, we need to click Add a Currency link. And next, from the list of options we need to select the currency type. Not every country currency type is added here yet. I will add New Zealand dollar as a currency type. And done, you can see I have added New Zealand dollar as a currency type. To make New Zealand dollar as a primary currency, by selecting it here. And again, confirming the currency as the primary currency. And you can see the new currency added as a primary currency type in PayPal personal account. I am hoping this video lesson will be helpful to you. You can subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification icon to get notified when more and more videos are uploaded to my channel.